GoMining isn't a plug-and-play platform. Yes, you could technically sign up, buy a miner and start mining, but that will give you some horrible results. So in this video I'll walk you through the very best GoMining setup step by step. We'll be focusing on efficiency as well as cost control with the ultimate goal of long-term rewards. Let's take a look. Before we get started, I quickly want to mention that if you do not yet have a GoMining account, you can create one using the first link in the description. By doing so, you'll massively help out the channel and you also get a pretty nice welcome bonus for yourself. Now let's continue with the video. Alright, there is two ways to use GoMining. I'll start with the option that gives you the very best value if you're already planning to spend some money on the platform. In this strategy, we start with the GoMining card. It's essentially a debit card that gives you cashback in the form of mining power instead of traditional rewards. Right now, I believe the card is only available in Europe, so feel free to skip to this timestamp if the card's not available for you. Now, why exactly would we use this card to start? The first reason is the sign-up bonus. By signing up for the GoMining card using the link in the description, you receive a small amount of mining power completely for free. One thing to keep in mind is that you do need to deposit $100 upon sign-up. Now, of course, that money isn't lost. You can simply spend it using your card, or you can even withdraw it immediately. Alright, now that we're signed up for the card, we can see that we already get a 1 terahash a second miner completely for free. But as I said, the real edge comes from the cashback rewards. Simply add the GoMining card to Google Pay or Apple Pay, and now every time you pay using your phone, you get a 5% cashback in mining power. This cashback is directly deposited in your mining farm, which means you'll instantly be earning mining rewards on your cashback. If you can use the GoMining card on your groceries, on some subscriptions or some fixed costs, you'll be growing your mining farm fast. And best of all, you'll be doing so without having to invest a single penny. So in short, with the GoMining cards you get compounding rewards without any upfront costs. How crazy is that? The second method is a bit more straightforward. You simply sign up and choose your first miner. There's a very low entry point, so you can always start small and scale later if you want to. But do not just buy this miner. I will personally make sure that there is always an up-to-date discount code in the description of this video. Now, once we've got our miner set up, this is where we're going to make some actual progress. Because the difference between breaking even and actually making a good profit comes down mostly to your costs. The main cost on GoMining is your maintenance. So instead of trying to increase our earnings, we can also choose to decrease our maintenance fees. And lucky for us, there is two simple ways to do this. The first is the service feature. If you activate it consistently, it gives you a small discount on maintenance fees over time. It's not huge on its own, but it'll definitely make a difference in the long run. The second method is a token discount. If you hold enough GoMining tokens to cover your maintenance fees for a long time, you get a discount. For smaller setups, the amount of tokens you need to hold is relatively small, but it'll still make a big difference to your profitability. Now, something a lot of people overlook is that these tokens don't just have to sit there. You can also choose to lock them. And depending on the lock period, you can actually earn a decent amount of money by doing so. Of course, this does come with the trade-off that your funds are temporarily locked. So it pretty much depends on your personal taste here. Since I myself aim for long-term rewards, I have decided to lock away a big part of my tokens. So I am both earning rewards and lowering my maintenance costs. The final way to increase our mining rewards is by turning on the reinvestment feature. By doing so, we can reinvest the money we earn from mining into more mining power. First of all, this immediately gives us a 5% bonus on any rewards we earn. But there is something even more important. This feature once again gives us compounding rewards. Every single day we grow our farm, which gives us more rewards, which in turn grows our farm even faster. Now I hear you thinking, where is our profit in this case? Well, you can always take profit by selling your miner. But we can also choose to switch between reinvestment and regular payout to at least receive some form of tangible profit. At this point, your setup is basically complete. From here, it is more of a long-term, low-maintenance process. Check in occasionally, keep the service feature active, and grow your farm whenever you wish. As you can see by my personal farm, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This took me over 2 years to build. And remember that some days will simply be better than others. Depending on the Bitcoin price and market conditions, things can change over time. So the most important takeaway from this video is that this is something long term, not something that's going to make you rich overnight. For now, that is all I have to say. See you in the next video.